Hi there! Today, I'll try to help you learn the basics of a 10-hole diatonic harmonica. Here we have a basic harmonica with 10 holes, which is in the key of C. The rules will be the same no matter what key your harmonica is in, as long as it's the same type. For example, if you blow into the 4th hole, it will produce the first note of the major scale, and in this case, the note C. To play the next note scale, just breathe in through 4. If you blow into 5, it will produce the next note in the major scale. To produce the next note, breathe in through 5, and blow into 6 will produce the next note again. Likewise, breathing through 6 will be the next note. So you will notice that this is a simple pattern of blowout and breathe in to produce the correct succession of notes for the major scale. But now the pattern changes. You breathe in through 7 to play the 7th note of the major scale instead of blowing to 7. Then, blowing into 7 produces the first note again, except an octave higher than when you blow into 4. And keep going. You breathe in through 8, blow into 8, breathe in through 9, blow into 9, breathe in through 10 to produce the next 5 notes. But now the pattern changes again. If you blow into 10, it won't produce the next correct note of the scale, but rather the first note again, only this time 2 octaves higher than when you first blow into 4. But what can we do with the first 3 holes? You already know that blowing into 4 produces the first note of the major scale. So breathing into 3 produces the 7th note of the major scale, only a semitone lower than when you blow into 4. And let's make it clear that if your harmonica is in the key of C, then breathing through 3 will produce the note B, which is the note that comes before C. The rules will be the same no matter what key your harmonica is in. So if the first note of your harmonica is G, then breathing through 3 will produce a F sharp. Or if your harmonica is in F major, then breathing through 3 will produce E. But blowing into 3 produces the 5th note of the major scale. For example, in C major, blowing into 3 produces a G below middle C. Breathing through 2 produces the same note. It's very easy because it gives you time to catch your breath, depending on if you need to breathe in or out while you are playing. But blowing into 2 will produce the 3rd note of the major scale. In this case, in the C major scale, blowing into 2 produces the E below middle C. And finally, the hole number 1 is the same as hole number 4. And blowing into 1 and then breathing through 1 will produce the same notes, C and D, an octave lower than if you did the same with the hole number 4. So let's see what all of this looks like on the harmonica in the key of C major. Blowing into 1 makes C. Breathing in through 1 produces D. Blowing into 2 produces E. Breathing through 2 produces G. Blowing into 3 produces G. Breathing through 3 produces B. Blowing into 4 produces C or middle C. Breathing through 4 produces D. Blowing into 5 produces E. Breathing through 5 produces F. Blowing into 6 produces G. And breathing through 6 produces A. Then, breathing through 7 produces B. Blowing into 7 produces C. Breathing through 8 produces D. Blowing into 8 produces E. Breathing through 9 produces F. Blowing into 9 produces G. Breathing through 10 produces A, and blowing to 10 produces C. Of course, you can play many other notes on your harmonica. There is a concept called bending, which allows you to play different notes or pitches. We will teach you in another series. So until next time, stay tuned. See you!